Mathematics and symmetry, a melody each day. Hidden in nature's heart, in perfect balance they stay. The eyes that truly see can feel this harmony. In daisies and in pine cones, a silent symmetry. Symmetry never stops, always in motion and flow. Nature's rhythm is hidden in every place we go. Numbers in the forest, secrets to uncover. A seed that's planted carries hope for one another. Waste returns to nature, balance is restored. Recycling brings a light the future can afford. Each piece finds new life, rising from its past. The world comes alive when we give a hand at last. Symmetry never stops, always in motion and flow. Nature's rhythm